Okay, if tinfoil feels broken, games aren't appearing, or downloads just don't work properly. There's actually one hidden setting most people never change. And yeah, fixing this single option can solve a lot of problems instantly. Let me show you. So after updates, Tinfoil sometimes keeps old configuration data enabled in the background that can block shops from syncing or prevent game lists from loading correctly. We're going to adjust one setting that refreshes how everything connects. First, open Tinfoil and scroll down the left sidebar until you see Settings. Go ahead and open that. Inside Settings, look for Advanced Options or Additional Settings. If you don't see many options yet, scroll slowly. Sometimes they're easy to miss. Now find the option related to Protocol Connection Mode or Automatic Refresh. Toggle this setting off, then turn it back on again. Yeah. This basically resets how Tinfoil communicates with sources. After changing it, back out of Settings and completely close Tinfoil. Then reopen the app so the new configuration loads properly. Once Tinfoil opens again, go to the New Games or Shop section and give it a few seconds to sync. You should see content loading normally again. If things still look slow, try refreshing sources once more from the file browser. That helps pull the newest data after the setting reset. And that's the hidden setting most users never change in Turos, but honestly, it fixes a surprising number of tinfoil issues. If this helped, save the video so you can come back anytime. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.